Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Can you imagine a life without the houses we live in? Without school, television, delicious food, means of transport, communication and even clothes. Long years ago, there lived people who didn't look like us, who didn't talk as we do, who didn't know how to build houses, who didn't know how to cook food, who didn't know anything about means of transport, who didn't wear clothes like us. They covered their body with large leaves and animal skin. Can you guess what I am talking about? Life of early man. Board CBSE Class 3 Subject EVS. Name of the lesson is Life of Early Man. Early humans lived in the jungle. Early humans had a very tough life. They were not gifted like us. They just worked hard and succeeded on purpose of making their lives comfortable. Early humans lived in the jungle. Early means before. So they were the first human in the world. They lived in the jungle. They were scared of bigger and stronger animals. They didn't know how to build houses. So they spent their time on the trees or hid themselves behind the bushes. So they hid themselves behind the bushes. But all this could not provide them security from wild animals and adverse climatic conditions. They didn't know anything about thunderstorm, lightning in the sky, rain or cold. As they were the first human in the world, they didn't know anything about the adverse climatic condition. But you children know well about thunderstorm, lightning in the sky and clouds. You never scared. But as they were the first human in the world, they were scared of all these. Then they gradually started living in the caves, and caves protect them from wild animals and adverse climatic conditions like heat, rain and cold. They began communicating by hand movements and gestures. Later they were imitating the sounds made by animals. Gesture means an expression of body movements. An expression of body movements. Later they were imitating the sounds made by animals. As they were the first human in the world, they didn't know how to speak, read and write, since the language had not developed in earliest period. So they communicate by hand movements and body movements. They made sounds like animals. They drew pictures on the walls and ceilings of caves. As I said earlier, they didn't know how to speak, read and write. They draw pictures on the walls to express their feelings. Why did they draw pictures on the walls? To express their feelings and then depict their lives, events and their daily activities. The two most important activity of early human were hunting animals and gathering food for their survival. Early humans were hunter-gatherers. Why do we say early humans were hunter-gatherers? Because they moved from one place to another on foot in search of food, water and shelter. So they didn't have transport facilities like us, because they didn't know how to make transport. They have to walk on foot to gather their food. Then they ate fruits from trees and roots of plants. They ate fruits from trees and roots of plants. They hunted animals and birds and ate them raw. As they didn't know how to cook food, they didn't know how to make fire also, so they ate them raw without cooking. What do we need in order to perform many of our activities? I repeat, what do we need in order to perform many of our activities? For example, if you want to cut the vegetables or if you want to cut a paper, you need different tools. You need knife to cut the vegetables and scissors to cut a paper. But early humans, but have you ever imagined how did early humans perform all their activities? Because they didn't know anything about metals. They didn't know anything about metals, so they didn't have knife to kill the animals. They couldn't kill the animals with their bare hands. So can you guess what did they use to kill the animals? They used stones to kill the animals. They used stones to kill the animals. These tools made of stone. These stone tools improved with time and their requirements. They made spears, hammers, hammers and axes. Look into this picture, children. Here you can see a sharp-edged stone. They tied a sharp-edged stone to a long piece of wood. They used the spear to kill the animal. Now they could throw it. Now they could throw the spear to an animal. They didn't have to go near the animal to kill it. So this spear was the first discovery of early human. Gradually they started making tools with bones. They used tools not only for hunting but also for cutting, digging and sieving. Here they were sieving animal skin together with needle made of bones. In this picture you can see different types of materials made of bones, stones and wood. They covered their body with large leaves, barks of trees. They covered their bodies with large leaves and barks of trees and animal skin. This cloth is made of animal skin. This cloth is made of leaves. Here you could see the early man covered their bodies with large leaves. Early humans had seen forest fire but did not know how to use it. Early humans had seen forest fire but did not know how to use it. Forest fire occurred due to natural causes or man-made causes. Man-made causes such as cigarette, campfire or electric spark. Nature causes such as thunderstorm and then extreme heat summer. During extreme heat summer, dry leaves and grasses and barks of trees automatically catch fire. So many times they had seen fire occurring in the forest, but they didn't know how to make use of it. Instead of that, they were scared about it, like animals. Then only they came to know sitting close to the fire kept them warm, and this was Let's see the discovery of fire. Once accidentally they found that striking some stones together produced sparks. Here you could see this man is striking two stones together while striking two stones, fire come out and catch fire immediately. Uses of fire. It kept them warm during cold weather. It lit up the caves when it was dark. Wild animals were frightened of it and they didn't attack them. Fire also cooked the meat of animals. Then discovery of fire made the life easier for early humans. Discovery of fire made the life easier for early humans. Children, next session we will discuss about discovery of wheel and agriculture. To receive our online lesson, please press subscribe button. You will receive latest updates. Thank you.